My name is Wilson Daniel and I'm from Margam.
Mm. Your business,
I have a travels and tours agency where I have a lot of talking job to do.
Mm-hmm. What is your problem?
My first problem, doctor, was my knee.
Mm-hmm.
This happened many years back when I was in Saudi Arabia.
Mm-hmm.
I used to play a lot of football.
Mm-hmm.
While playing football in Saudi Arabia on Tar Road,
Mm-hmm.
my knee got damaged.
Mm-hmm.
When I came back to India in 1987,
Mm-hmm.
I have visited one of the best sport doctor. His name is Anand Joshi in Bombay,
Mm-hmm.
and he told me that there is no cure for this because there is no fluid between my knees.
Mm-hmm.
I was very disappointed to know this because I like to jog, I like to play football.
Mm-hmm.
I gave up all my hopes until we saw your advertisement on the news, on the television, on the
Mhm.
cable.
Mm-hmm.
My sincere thanks to the cable people for bringing this wonderful treatment. When I came here, first of all, I did not believe the cable. I believed only once I visited your clinic.
When you saw the other patients and all.
Well, all I seen is a lot of patients coming here, which I couldn't. I refused to see them because it was really painful. A lot of people suffers a lot, but after the improvement, after the treatment they have taken, what they are today is unbelievable. People should not believe me. People should visit this clinic. Please don't believe me. Visit this clinic. You'll know what I'm talking about.
So anything else problem about neck and all?
If you remember, doctor, I told you that I have a spondylosis.
Mhm.
At that time I was not aware, but I thought I have a neck problem due to a bad pillow or no proper sleep. But when you diagnosed me, you told me that I have a spondylitis, which was not knowledgeable to me. After, I should say, not even 20 days or 25 sittings, I should say, when I was in Bombay, I completely forgot about my pain, and I never remember that I had a spondylitis. One fine day, when I was going to bed, I realized that I have no pain. I called my home people to tell them, there is something good about my neck. And when I told them that I have no pain, they couldn't believe it. I understand there is no cure for spondylitis, but here with you, I think everything is possible. Today I'm 95% alright, and hopefully, if God willing, another 5 days, 5 sitting or 10 sitting, I should be 100%. I have no spondylitis whatsoever. You can see I can move my leg, my neck without any problem. I can.
Before there was a lot of problem, no?
Yes.
What were the symptoms you were suffering?
I used to get attacked, doctor, even when I'm.
Okay, then?
While I was driving, doctor, I used to get all of a sudden pain to my right hand side, and I used to hold it because the pain was really bad, Slow down driving, my family used to ask me what happened. I never used to tell them because I don't believe giving trouble to my family. But today I feel I'm so good, I'm so perfectly alright as far as my neck is concerned.
Mm-hmm.
I should thank you, doctor.
So one more thing about one problem occurred about your throat.
Yes, doctor, that's one thing I can never forget, and I will never forget in my life. This was last month. It was in the month of August, September.
Mm-hmm.
I was in Bombay. I had a bad infection. I don't know what was it, water or food, what I ate.
Mm-hmm.
I just thought it might be a sore throat,
Mm-hmm.
as I usually get it. I started taking salt and hot water gargle.
Mm-hmm.
I tried to take Smox tablets, thinking it will subside, it will go down, but it never did. I came to Goa, seen my doctor. They gave me tablets. Nothing went down. Went back to Bombay. While traveling in the train, somebody told me it's not very good. You have a problem with your throat. It can land to a cancer, which really scares me off. I went to see a doctor at Bombay Hospital. He diagnosed me.
Who is the doctor?
Yes, he is a specialist in ENT. His name is Dr. Jain. He explained to me, he told me that my nose bone is gone crooked, and in future I might be having sinus.
Mm-hmm.
That is the reason I have infection in my throat. it's upset me because I could not talk. If I talked to you, you couldn't listen to me. When I used to call my office from Bombay, they couldn't understand what I was talking, so my throat was so bad. I took the tablets. He gave me strong tablets. Cost me a couple of hundreds of rupees. Nothing happened for a day or two. Then second day somebody recommended me to take a second opinion. Okay, sorry, Dr. Jain told me if I don't take care of my throat or if I am not alright, I have to do a digital laser surgery. I have to spend 3 days in Bombay Hospital, 7 days in Bombay, and no voice rest. But doctor, the business what I do, I interview people. So there's no question of I can take a voice rest. I was upset. I seen another doctor in Santa Cruz, Dr. Bhargav. He's supposed to be one of the best doctors in Bombay. He gave me different tablets, but his decision was also same. If I don't take a voice rest, I have to do a surgery. Otherwise, it can land to anywhere. I just said, okay, let me go down to Goa, talk to my family, and I'll get back. But deep down in my head, I knew where I'm going to see, and that's Dr. Prabhu, because I know there is something could be done without a surgery. When I came here, I showed you my report. You started my second treatment
for throat.
For my throat, and the funny part is when you told me to eat ice cream at 11 o'clock, vanilla ice cream, I really thought that you must be something wrong with you, because anybody who listen my interview or listen this conversation will believe that when you have a sore throat or when your throat is bad, you can't drink cold or you can't eat ice cream. But when you told me that I should eat vanilla ice cream at 11 o'clock,
after my acupuncture treatment,
yes, the first day's treatment, I did follow your instruction. I ate vanilla ice cream at 11 o'clock, and what happened next day, doctor, is unbelievable. I was 50% cured. Once again, thank you to you. I can talk normally now. My voice is back to me, and the rest 5-6 days was superb. Today, thanks to God and thanks to you, I'm okay.
You are totally normal.
Yes, I'm totally normal. I have a small message. Whoever watches this recording, please don't believe me what I said. I can be doctor's friend. All you have to do is visit this clinic, and then you realize what Wilson said is 100% right. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much.
Nose, okay, and this is my mouth, and this is what we call it windpipe or voice pipe. The dots are the infection.
So what he has told that surgery should be?
This report is from Dr. Jain of Bombay Hospital. Who is
Dr. Bhargav, no?
Yeah, he's from Santa Cruz West. Everybody says that he's one of the best doctor in ENT. His report also says the same thing. Voice rest, lot of medicines has to pump in.
All this treatment you have done?
I have taken this treatment, but then I stopped once I started acupuncture.
See, I am doing this advertisement or my awareness of acupuncture through cables. So what do you think? I should do it or no? What is your comment?
Doctor, first of all, I do not believe that you are doing advertisement. This is something called awareness. People don't know about it. If it was advertisement, it would come on a paper, I would come and visit it to you. But it came on in the cable. It is awareness. It is something new which people don't know. There must be a lot of people who are criticizing you that you are advertising this, but please don't believe them.
So some people say that good doctors and give so much improvement you can give, then why you want to do advertisement? Such comments I hear. So what do you want to say about this?
No, doctor, I don't think this is advertisement again. You know, it is just awareness you are trying to bring towards the people, especially our local people, you know, who are not aware of all this. You know, I have spoken to so many educated people, and they find hard to believe me. But all I told them is, no, you see what happened to my neck. You come down to the clinic if you believe, if you think that, you know, after looking the patient who come on a stretcher and go walking, then they should come and this thing. But advertisement, you see, advertisement, everybody does advertisement. What do you mean by advertisement? You know, if a new hospital comes in city, the advertisement, why do they put advertisement? If a new product comes, they put advertisement. Why they do that? You know, why Tatas and, you know, the big companies, like, they put advertisement? They are selling the product, but you are not selling a product. You are doing something genuine thing. That's what I said. You know, people should not believe to anybody who is talking or saying anything about you. They should come to the clinic. You know, like I did. You know, watching something on the cable. I don't buy every product I see. But, you know, since I have seen patient, you know, and we knew 1 or 2 patients who had been cured through your this treatment, we believed. It's nothing. It's no. Nobody forced me. Nobody. You know. I never knew you. You know. You wasn't so close. You never knew what was my problem. But I came because of my own relief. And today I'm the winner. Doctor, I'm the winner.
Yeah.
I'm not a loser.
Okay. Thank you very much.